This is Dunu X Giz Audio DaVinci, latest collab between Dunu and fellow YouTuber Giz Audio. So this IEM has a 2DD 4BA setup and a revolutionary 5-way crossover, which is unheard of in the price range of $300. So is it any good? Before starting the video, I want to thank HiFiGo for arranging a review tour of this IEM in my country. So their links are in the description, please check them out. The design of this IEM is beautiful. The Maplewood faceplate looks absolutely gorgeous. The IEM is slightly on the thicker side, so it sticks out of the ear a little bit. Unlike SS6 Mark II, it lacks molding of any kind to stick it in the ear securely. The shells are just flat. Along with that, the nozzles are on the larger side. All this can affect fit and comfort. So I highly suggest you to tip roll a bit to get optimum fit and comfort. So I use Divinus Velvets and Dunu SNS tips for my sound testing. One unique thing about this IEM is the sound doesn't get changed around while tip rolling. So now let's talk about sound. DaVinci has a warm bassy sound signature with new school mid-range tuning. The sound is non-fatiguing and here is the frequency response for your viewing. So now let's talk about bass. Instead of using much popular 2DD isobaric setup, DaVinci is using 1DD for 10 to 100 Hz and other DD for 100 to 400 Hz. Both are crossed over to produce their own frequencies. The sub bass is deep and low. It has good rumble and texture. The mid bass thump and slam is also very good for the price. But bass lacks speed in my opinion, and mid bass can get boomy on mid bass heavy tracks. But the bass performance is above average in my opinion. Whatever you say, this amount of bass is addicting. On right tracks, when bass comes on, you have no choice but to laugh and enjoy. Overall, I like the bass performance on this IEM. The mids are good despite of having this amount of bass. I love the mids on this IEM. Instruments like cello, violin, piano, guitar, flute, Indian, bansuri, etc. sounds fantastic on this IEM. They sound natural and very beautiful. Female vocals are on warmer and lush side. They have enough heft and body to them. Male vocals shines on this IEM. They are very soulful and very powerful. I have no issues with the vocals on this IEM. Mids are not too forward or too recessed. They have perfect representation. The treble enhances the warm bassy sound signature of this IEM. It is not overly boosted. There is a dip at around 4 to 6K which prevents harshness and sibilance. Then there is a dip at around 7 to 10K which complements the laid-back signature of this IEM. But in my personal preference, I want a little bit more energy there to balance out the bass. After that, there is a wide peak in air region at around 13K which further helps in balancing out the sound and helps in increasing the micro detail pickup. In my opinion, instead of going for a treble peak, they should have gone for a treble shell for further enhancing the sound. All in all, I can say DaVinci's treble is there to make the sound more cohesive instead of grabbing your attention towards it. DaVinci handles busier passages of tracks well. It prevents any congestion that can happen with this kind of tuning. The detail treble is very good instead of boosting the treble too much. The macro and micro detail performance is very good. The stage is not the widest, but it presents front and back depth well. The instrument separation and layering performance is good enough, and the imaging performance is also very good. I really like my time with this set. DaVinci is a well-done rendition of warm bassy set. It can be an excellent IEM for people who are treble sensitive or want a warm bassy set with excellent detail retrieval and technical performance. DaVinci fills a gap in the $300 segment. It proficiently plays multiple genres of music, so it gets a thumbs up from my end.